Alright guys, here we go. I'm getting on a highway. I'll be accelerating from 20 miles an hour. Normal acceleration. Here we go. Locked. Pretty sexy, isn't it? The TC lockup switch so it stays locked, and I'm going to turn on the comp, and then you're going to hear this thing really whistle on 5x5. So building up some speed so I can lose it. Alright, comp is on 5x5. This is TC locked up OD highway and flooring it. Yeah, I know turbo parking's not good, but that's it. It's fucking crazy. I'm going to call it a BHAF. I've always called it a BHAF. So instead of saying BHAF, it's amazing. I don't know why I didn't get one earlier when everyone else had one. I really regret not buying it. Speaking of which, I got this from Pure Diesel Performance up in Wisconsin. They got it down to me here in Indiana in 3 days. I'd say the prices are pretty fair. They got a few different types of BHAFs that you can buy. This one cost me 45 bucks. Shipping and everything together was 55 bucks. So depending on where you get it from, prices may vary. But yeah, like I said, I got from Pure Diesel Performance up in Wisconsin, and I would highly recommend them. They had great customer service. I asked them a lot of questions. They didn't shy away or try to lead me around. They answered them straight up. So I'd highly recommend check them out if you're near that area or surrounding states. But yeah, this is my turbo whistle noise video for my Cummins with a BHAF. See ya.